At the Intrepid Sea, Air, and Space Museum, we amplify the stories behind the marvels of engineering in our collection to inspire a love of science and learning. Join us throughout 2019 as we celebrate innovation. This month, we are highlighting the aircraft restoration team's work preserving the Douglas WWII-era Skyraider in our collection.
When we recovered this airplane back in 2014, the canopy was in pretty rough condition. Like several other aircraft on Intrepid, Skyraider served active duty, and the benefit of that is that I can roam around various compartments on the ship and come upon spare parts for these aircraft, which is the case here. I was able to locate a new old stock replacement tail wheel for the Skyraider. The Skyraiders that served on Intrepid were of a much later vintage and had slightly different measurements. So there were some bushings, some other parts that we had to install in order to get this wheel to fit. And now we have this beautiful new old stock tail wheel in place.
The team carefully conserved Skyraider over a 4-year period to ensure that it will be preserved for future generations.